sketch the graph of the equation y equals 2x squared plus x minus 15. We'll begin by finding the x-coordinate of the vertex. And the formula for finding the x-coordinate of the vertex is x equals negative b over 2a. Now in this equation, b is the coefficient of the linear term and is equal to 1. So we have negative 1 over 2 times a being the coefficient of the square term. 2 times 2 is 4. So we've got an x-coordinate of negative 1/4 for the vertex. Now let's put in negative 1/4 into the equation now, the original equation, and find our y-coordinate. So 2 times negative 1/4 squared plus negative 1/4 minus 15. So we have 2 times 1 over 16 plus a negative 1/4 minus 15. And that's equal to 2 over 16 or 1/8 plus a negative 1/4, which is equal to negative 2/8. And I'm going to go ahead and convert 15 to a fraction with a denominator of 8. So 15 is equal to 120 over 8. 1/8 plus negative 2/8 is negative 1/8, and when we add a plus negative 120 over 8, we get negative 121 over 8 as a y-coordinate for our vertex. So our vertex is situated at negative 1/4, negative 121 over 8. And this is about a little bit below negative 15, so negative 15 and 1/8. So we've got negative 1/4. On my graph here, my hash marks are in increments of 2. So I move over just a little bit to the left of 0 and down just a little bit past 15. So about right there is our vertex. Now we want to find our x-intercepts. So we do that by setting our equation 2x squared plus x minus 15 equal to 0. And in this case, we can factor. If not, we would have to use the quadratic formula or some other method that we've learned. So 2x minus 5 times x plus 3 is the factorization of that quadratic. And we'll use the zero factor property to set each one of those factors equal to 0 and solve for x. So we get x is equal to 5/2 and x is equal to negative 3. So we have x-intercepts at 5/2, 0, and negative 3, 0. These are our x-intercepts. So 5/2 is 2.5, so about right here. And then negative 3, 0. Our x-intercepts. And we have one other thing to find. We have to find our y-intercept. So we said our x is equal to 0. And we get an x-intercept at negative 15. I'm sorry, a y-intercept at negative 15. So we have 0, negative 15 for our y-intercept. So just a little bit to the right of our vertex. Okay, so we're going to join all of those points now to get our graph of our equation of y equals 2x squared plus x minus 15.